welcome to one and all to the present edition of the channel Navodaya Master. At this video, we are discussing about verbs. Verbs, what are verbs? Verbs indicate an action, any action. All the time we are doing one action or another. Playing, talking, sleeping, breathing, arranging, cleaning, action. So, verbs indicate an action. It is the most important part of the sentence. Verbs have three forms. Generally, children will say present tense, past tense and future tense. It is not future tense. It is past participle. So, verb has three forms: present tense, past tense and past participle. Some verbs, all the three forms are similar. For example, cut, 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 put, put, put. So these are all similar, all the three. In some other verbs, all the three are dissimilar. For example, fly, flew, flown, throw, threw, thrown, swim, swam, swum. So I have written some examples in the blackboard. Let goes to the example of all the three similar. Let is nothing but allowing, permitting. Throw, threw, thrown, drink, drank, drunk, fly, flew, flown. So we call them as irregular verbs. What are irregular verbs? All the three forms are dissimilar. All the three forms are different. Let us go to next category. Most of the verbs, majority of the verbs, two forms are similar. Two forms, either present, past or third form, are similar. One form is different. Generally, this category, they become past tense and past participle by adding D or ED. For example, jump, jumped, call, called. Then we see this, distribute, distributed, arrange, arranged, welcome, welcomed. See, jump, jumped, jumped. Past tense and participle after adding ED. Welcome, welcomed. Past tense and past participle after adding D. These are all called, this category is called regular verbs because they become past tense and past participle after adding D and ED. And we have auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is not the main verb. It is secondary verbs or helping verbs. So what are just the connect, linking verbs. So this auxiliary verbs, am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, will, would, shall, should, may, might, can, could, ought to. These are all, generally these words are used. So helping verbs. Then we have transitive verbs. Verbs with objects are called transitive verbs. We call them in short TV. This is very much, objects are very much needed for the formation of this active voice and passive voice. We will be seeing in detail. At present, just I tell only one sentence. Objects are the part of the sentence which answer to the questions what, which and whom. So in object also two are there. Direct object, indirect object. So we'll when we come to voices, we'll discuss in detail about object. Simply remember, verbs with object are called transitive verb or TV. In a dictionary you can find TV. TV means object will be there. There is a chance for change of the sentence into passive voice. Verbs without object are called intransitive verbs. In dictionary you will find ITV. intransitive verbs. Okay, so this will be dealt in detail when we discuss about voices. Just I sum up. Verbs. What are verbs? Verbs indicate an action. Any action can be verb. All the time man is doing one action or another. Next, verbs have three forms. What are the three forms? Present tense, past tense, past participle. So what is the nature of three forms? Some verbs all the three same. Some other verbs all the three dissimilar. All the three dissimilar, we call them as irregular verbs. In some other verbs, in majority of the verbs, they become past tense and past participle after adding D or adding the letter D or ED. These are all called regular verbs. And we have auxiliary verbs. Just to secondary verbs, we call them secondary verbs. First one, for example, one sentence, he is talking. Talking, primary verb, is auxiliary verb, helping. That is not the main thing. Auxiliary verbs, a big list is there. Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, will, would, shall, should, may, might, ought to. So these are all a list. These are all auxiliary verbs. Next we have transitive verbs. Verbs with object are called transitive verbs, TV. In short form we call TV. Verbs without object are called ITV. And just summing up, verbs indicate an action. Verbs have three forms. So that's all today. Thank you.